Club, and we are doing the 6 minutes 100 days drawing challenge, and we're at episode number 61.
63.
Oh yeah.
We are at episode number 63 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. I hope you are having fun with this challenge, drawing new drawings with us every day. And if you stay with us till the end of the video, hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below. Sorry, you win some exciting goodies. Okay, let's get started.
And we are drawing Sonic Carnage.
Yeah, so we are going to learn how to draw Sonic Carnage. So it's basically a carnage,
Which is Sonic.
which is a Sonic. Okay.
And we are using the A5 size.
Yeah. A4 size paper,
The-
a black sketch pen, and some colors.
But we are not using a drawing books because the pages are just too small
Yes.
and none of our drawings fit.
Yeah. So let's get started. What do we do?
What's the cap?
Let's start.
I'm taller than you.
Yeah, you are. What do we start with?
Let's start with the eyes.
Okay, now we start with.
The eyes?
No, we start with something else today.
What? The nose.
Why is this not working? We start with the.
What are you drawing? The mouth.
Yes.
Why not the eyes first? My nails not working?
Give it to me.
Oh, mine not working at all. I guess I'll use the Sharpie then.
Take it to work.
It's working.
Yeah. Okay, we did the mouth. Okay.
Will you wait?
That's gonna be so easy.
Will you wait? Like that?
Yeah.
And like that.
Slowly, slowly. Follow the shape how I have done and then do it.
Yeah.
No rush.
They like this?
Yeah.
A little more straight.
That's okay. Now that we have done this,
Can I retry?
no, it's okay. Don't go back. Now that we have done this, we make the ears. Okay. Okay. And a tomb like head. Okay, Tilia? Now we do the eyes.
Mine doesn't look nice. Look,
Okay.
look. Can you look at it?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Okay. That's okay, beta. Make it now. Give it the shape of the eyes. Yeah. When you color it, it will start looking like this.
No, because I just made it a little too wide.
That's okay. What do we do next? We do the body. small body. Not a very big one. But long legs.
By long, my dad doesn't mean mommy long legs.
Yes, obviously not that long. But pretty long.
Yep.
Okay. Now the shoes. The left shoes are done. The right shoes. Okay. All good till here? Now we draw the hands.
Wait, I'm saying.
Okay. How we did
Hey,
for
it's actually looking good.
Yeah, it is. Once you finish it, it will look good, don't worry.
It's already looking good.
Yeah.
Will you wait?
Okay. One hand is done. What do we do with the other one? That's pretty simple.
I made like this.
Okay. The hands and the legs are done. What do we do next? The tentacles.
I cannot finish my hand.
Okay. Should I wait for you?
Go.
Okay. I'm doing it slowly. Okay. Let's wait for Parikshit to catch up with us.
Now the hand of this.
Let me do it faster.
I have not a lot of space, right?
Now do the tentacles.
No. Wait, before doing the tentacles, we had to be. It doesn't look nice because we haven't made the hair.
We'll make it.
Yeah.
Once you are done with the tentacles, we'll do that.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's time to make the hairs. How are the hairs?
Like normal.
Start with the small ones.
You stop.
This is done. The second one would start from here.
Will you wait?
Okay.
Will you wait?
I'm doing it slowly.
Slow doesn't mean waiting. Okay, you can start now.
Okay. Okay. That's all. We're done with coloring.
Coloring.
Sorry,
Are you sure about?
We're done with the drawing.
Guys, does it look like coloring to you?
Yes, it looks like coloring to me. It looks like black colors is sketching to me. Okay, so now that we're done with the drawing, we move on with the very easy coloring of it.
Yeah, no, I'm not done.
And almost everything would be in the red. Should we wait for Parikshit before we start coloring? Let's wait for it. So everything is red, it's easy to color.
Almost.
Except the little bit small portion of the head.
Face.
Everything is in red.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry about it. Okay. So we are done.
Well, I'm not.
By the time Parikshit finishes his drawing, I hope you have already finishes his coloring. I hope you have already liked the video, subscribed to the channel, and added your comment below on how did you like this drawing. Did you already do this and share it with us on Instagram? And what do you want us to draw next? Anything that you want to. But yeah, don't forget to hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and a comment below to win some exciting goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club. This was episode number 63 of 6 minutes 100 days challenge.
Drawing. Can you just color the bottom parts? I already did that.
Good.
Until I'll do the face.
Yeah.
Almost done. Almost done. This kind of looks like Sonic EXE.
Sonic EXE. What is that? Who is that?
It's the evil version of Sonic.
Evil version of Sonic.
But he is blue, but he has red eyes.
Okay.
And has a very big smile. Every EXE has a very big smile.
Wow. So we are done. See you in the episode number 64 of 6 minutes 100 days challenge. Until then, have a great and a wonderful evening. Bye bye.